Hi you guys, it's Dr. Maisam, Naturopathic doctor here, and if you are like me, you are probably looking for quick and easy recipes to make that are also really nutritious. So I wanted to share with you guys this dessert that I'm making that is so good. It is good enough that I'm having it for breakfast. There is a ton of healthy proteins and healthy fats in this recipe, and so that is not only great for your hormones but also really great for helping your blood sugar regulation. And both of those things are really, really important for women who have polycystic ovarian syndrome. So are you guys ready to start cooking with me? Let's go!
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing